Here we are today, YouTube. What we have here is this Sprint iPhone XS Max, and as you can see, it's on Sprint. We are currently unlocking this device to use with any SIM card network. Let's pause the video real quickly so we can get the process going. Okay, we are back. Okay, we just took out the SIM card tray right here, in which we're just going to set that down. As you can see, it's a Sprint SIM card, in which the SIM card tray was right there on the side. That's how you know it's a different iPhone model right there. And we actually successfully unlocked it. So we're gonna just pop this Verizon SIM card in, and we're gonna see if our magic had happened. You know, the SIM card has to go in kind of backwards like this. Actually, let me pause the video real quickly. That way I can put the SIM card in and pop the tray in. Okay, we are back now again. I'm gonna go ahead and pop the SIM card tray in to see if it works this time. So, yeah, normally when you pop in a SIM card or any company SIM card, it would say SIM not supported. Yeah, type in her passcode real quick. See. Sometimes Verizon takes a second to fully read. Well, of course, the Verizon SIM card is not active. So when it comes to Verizon devices, you have to kind of have it active. You can tell it's kind of reading the SIM. As you can see, Verizon is in the settings. So how about this? Let me just turn this device off. Turn it off. Okay. Well, it's actually reading the SIM card, but if you had an active SIM card, or we had an active SIM card, it would actually read. Yeah, because if you just pop in on the Verizon SIM card or any other SIM card, you're gonna get SIM not supported. But this is to show you that we actually can unlock them right there. Thank you for watching. Tune in and subscribe.